I think it's enough.
It's good?
Yes.
All right.
You got this?
I think.
Cheers, guys. Hey Chop Chop fam, it's Ruth and JC coming to you from Alberta, Canada. Welcome to our channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're already part of the family, thank you for your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, notification and share buttons. So guys, today we're craving some Korean soup and we've been told to try
Cafe 100.
100%. Cafe 100%.
That's very true. That's very true.
So guys, we're on our way there, and so we want to bring you guys along. We're very excited because this will be our first time trying Korean soup. So guys, we're very ready. Hope you guys are ready. Let's go.
Hey guys, so we're back. Very nice place. I would say it's a little hidden. Looks like nothing from the outside, but once you get inside, there's a lot of stuff. Just like my wife said, today we were craving some soup, Korean soup specifically. So it's going to be a different kind of video because we're going to have to move the camera a little bit more to see what's happening into there because we can't lift the soup like this. She will make a mess in the car. So without further ado, we got one soup which was a
Seafood laksa.
There you go. Seafood laksa. So we're gonna go into it and see what it is. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
We got seafood laksa and also we got fish balls.
Fish food?
Which fish balls.
Thank you. That's all I wanted to know. Anyway, let's continue.
So guys, I'm gonna open the fish balls first.
Okay, and I'll bring the camera down. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. There we go.
So there's a fish balls and it's in a curry sauce.
That's what I was about to ask.
And then this is our seafood laksa. So done. Oh,
you got
done.
this.
Oh,
You got this.
Done.
Oh, that looks beautiful, isn't it?
So that's how I'm gonna go this way. Hopefully you guys can see it better. No, I think we're good.
You got it.
So this is the seafood.
I think this is some kind. Oh, look at the stuff that are in there.
Right?
I think this is tofu right there.
I'm gonna give you.
Am I right?
Yes. So you can use your chopsticks.
Chopsticks. I think this is tofu right here.
Yes.
I don't know what this is. Some kind of skin.
Seafood stuff.
Okay. And we got this is egg. Oh, they have egg in it. I think this is like quail egg or something because it's brown.
No.
Yeah.
It's egg in soya sauce.
Whatever. I look like I know how to cook. It's for the video, can we just say call? She can't do it. She can't lie. That's so bad. That is what?
I'm
calamari.
guessing, yeah, it's a squid.
The squid. And then, of course, we have, I think this is another tofu.
Yeah.
And
Shrimps.
we have shrimps. It's loaded, people.
Oh, wow. This is exciting.
Shrimps.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, it's
and we
steaming hot.
also have
Mussels.
Oh,
wow.
yeah.
Wow.
And
guys.
we also have crab something.
The
Crab cake. Imitated
Yeah.
crab cake. So it's a loaded. Let me see. Wait. What is this? What is this? Looks like fish.
Fish. Yes.
And we have fish.
And then we have the noodles underneath.
Yeah, the noodles underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we have the sauce that comes with it. It looks
Yes.
like curry.
It's a curry soup, guys.
You're gonna have to mix it, right?
I'm going to just shake it. Shake. 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 Shake.
Oh, look at that. It cleaned up a little.
Right? So,
Okay.
I don't want to make a mess.
I'm gonna bring that camera down for a second so we can see
Oh.
the process.
Oh, wow.
Yeah?
Wow.
The process is good, huh?
Wow. So good, guys.
Okay. Now we're gonna come down here for a second.
Oh, my God.
As my wife pulls.
Ooh, this is hot. I think it's enough.
It's good?
Yes.
All right. Bring it down. Okay.
Wow, guys, I wish you guys could smell this.
Yeah, the smell in here is delicious at the same time and fishy.
Yes,
Right?
seafoody, right?
Seafoody. So there's a lot of seafood smell in here. So if you're not big on fish or smell,
Yeah.
this might not be a good idea to eat in the car.
Yes.
You might
And
wanna.
we forgot one thing. I
What
hope
happened?
it's spicy.
Oh, they ask. Koreans like spicy stuff in
Yes.
so it's probably a standard thing.
Ooh.
Just mixing it. Yeah,
Wow.
go for it.
Go for it, guys. I'm bringing you guys down with us.
I think we might need some. No, I think it's enough. What did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Up. All right. See all that meat in there. So mixed up properly. Now we're gonna give it a try. Okay. All right.
Oh, I want more soup.
I just said it.
Right? I thought it was enough. But, let's drench it up. Oh, okay, perfect.
Is it perfect?
I think so. I think we're good to go.
I think we're good to go.
Yes.
All right.
Please do the honors
I think you can do the honor too.
while I try the soup.
Okay.
Guys, okay. You do the honors, I'm trying the soup. Cheers.
I don't know if my chopstick skills are still there.
You got this?
I think.
Cheers, guys. There's sweetness to it. It's curry soup for sure. It's more sweet on the sweeter side than on the savory part. There's a lot of like good flavors. You can taste seafood or shrimps has this sweet taste to it. That's how the curry soup tastes like. Like very nice and very warm, and it makes you feel good.
Yeah. I mean, apart from the seafood smell in it, it's a heck of plate.
Yeah, and we did order seafood, so
Yeah. I mean, you order seafood and then you're like, I don't want to be fishy.
we
Come on.
expecting it to be fishy
Let's go.
or seafoody.
Seafoody.
Oh wow, look
Steaming.
guys, it's steaming hot. Steaming hot. Look at you go. Right? Okay.
Oh man.
I'm gonna try. Let's see if I can do this.
The flavors are there.
Okay, I'm
The
gonna
spice.
hold it
Okay.
just in case.
The spiciness is not there.
Yeah.
But that's our fault, because we should have asked for spicy. Regardless, I think I'm enjoying this.
It's really good.
Yeah?
Guys, I'm not talking much.
I can see that.
I'm not talking much.
Look at this.
Cheers.
I like your chopstick skills.
Right?
Yeah, I think you're professional more than me. I'm gonna go in there to
Now
look
I'm on a roll.
for mussel that I saw.
And these noodles look like they're regular noodles.
Yeah,
That's how it the size.
I mean they have a lot of regular. I mean
Different
noodles are
noodles.
for them.
Yeah.
So look at here. That's a mussel right there. Full mussel, like me. Not they didn't get shy on it at all. You know.
Really good.
But get that with a.
Really good. You know what, guys? After eating it, you can taste the hint of spice. A hint of spice. It's not like overwhelmingly spicy. It's just a hint, like, you know, I'm just showing you I'm there. But, you know, I'm not really there. I'm not gonna hurt you. That kind of a thing.
I didn't know the spice has some personality like that. I'm just right there. I'm not gonna hate. Whoa. I need to meet the spice of yours. You know what I mean? Hey, you can't put them straight like that.
No? Oh, okay.
That's what
Sorry.
I've heard.
Sorry, guys.
Supposed to
Okay.
put it like that.
Oh. Okay.
I'm a little Asian.
Wow. You know, we're learning. We have to learn. We're discovering the world through food.
There you go. There you go. The broth is fantastic,
Oh my
people.
gosh, guys. First time trying Asian Korean soup.
Korean soup. And it's called what? Do you remember?
This soup? Seafood laksa.
Seafood laksa.
Yes. Seafood laksa.
All right, I'm going in for the shrimp.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, that's why it's big.
So you hesitated there.
I had to think.
I'll let that go for a second. Okay?
I had to think, like, oh, am I really going there?
I found the mussel and the shrimp, and you haven't found it yet.
Okay, I'm going in for the imitation crab. I was gonna say crab imitation. Imitation crab.
It's just one word in a different way. So the price is good when you go in there. Obviously the portions, as you see them, they're big. Right, so again, a very good place to go to sit down. It's a restaurant. The space is so inviting. Right, it's different. When you see it from the outside, you wouldn't even understand that it would look like that in the inside. So definitely a worth it dish. Oh, you found it, and then it fell.
I'm going back in. There is my mussels. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Yeah, definitely a dish to go. We're not going to stay on here and just finish it. It's going to take a long time for us to finish this. We're going to move on to the fish.
Oh, fish balls. I forgot about that.
We're gonna move to that and see how it tastes. It is in a curry sauce as well. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
So I don't know a lot about fish balls. So I'm just gonna jump into it.
Yeah.
Go for it. I'm putting mine into the sauce. There you go. Cheers.
Yes. It's sweet. The curry sauce has a lot of flavor. to it. Or the different spices. Wow, guys.
Right?
So soft. So soft. But it's firm. Soft but firm. It's holding well together.
I'm gonna go for one more in there. Let's see. There we go.
Really good. Really good, guys.
Really good.
Wow. Seriously, this is truly discovering the world through food. This is truly.
I like how many times you're saying that.
Right?
Now.
Because now it's like, wow.
You believing it?
Yeah, we didn't know all these existed, right?
Yeah. And the more we go, the more we want to find more restaurants and more stuff that they are looking for. For this Korean place, Cafe 100%. Definitely a place to go explore a lot more stuff that is on their menu. We're definitely going to go back.
Yes.
And as for the rating and what we think about the food, I think, speaking for myself, we love both the dishes we just took.
Yes.
There's really nothing to critique about, but to say that the food is wonderful.
Yes.
And it will be even better for you guys to sit if you had a chance to. Right? So you can see how it's presented on their plate.
Yes.
This brings us to the end of this video with the Korean Cafe 100% food. If you have any other Korean place or Korean dishes that we need to try that we haven't tried on our channel yet, please comment. Thank you again for following. Thank you for the support. We'll bring you more content. If you have a restaurant at home, or if you're a new restaurant and want advertisement and you need us, just comment and we will make sure to find you. All right, my wife has something to say.
So guys, until the next video, take care and stay safe.